Today we are going to talk about brackets or parentheses, as they call in American English, and this is our sixth lesson in the punctuation system. So let us see what they are and how they are used. So first of all, brackets, like dashes, also separate a unit or a part of a sentence in a sentence. Where you can use dashes, you can use brackets. This is very simple. Sometimes they are alternatively used. For example, the old man, Wilbert, refused to make a statement. So here you could see that um, we have used these brackets, round brackets sometimes they are called, instead of dashes, as you have seen in the previous lesson, that we use exactly the same sentence with different punctuation marks. So at that time we used dashes, and now exactly the same sentence we are using brackets. Sentence is perfectly fine. I have not yet obtained a statement from the other woman, Jacqueline Laws, and then we have a full stop. So the full stop goes after the closing bracket, as in the second sentence above. So if we stop the sentence here, it would make sense, but obviously we just want to introduce this woman, who is Jacqueline Laws. So that's how you use brackets. I mean, it's very similar to dashes. If you understand how to use dashes, sorry, it's very easy for you to use brackets as well. I would like to summarize comma, brackets and dashes here in this video, or in this slide, sorry. So brackets, dashes and a pair of commas can be used to add extra information in a sentence. For example, I have used the same sentence with different punctuation marks. The first sentence is, my father, a doctor by profession, walks 5 miles every day. So in this case, this a doctor by profession is extra information. The sentence reads perfectly fine without this. For example, my father walks 5 miles every day. Now in the second sentence, my father dash, a doctor by profession, again dash, walks 5 miles every day. It is exactly the same sentence as this one. I mean, it means the same. It separates the extra information using two dashes here. And the last one, my father, comma, a doctor by profession, walks, comma again, walks 5 miles every day. Now you could see that these extra information, extra pieces of information here in these three sentences can be separated using brackets or dashes or commas. It's up to you. I would suggest you to use a variety of punctuation marks. This is what is appreciated in exams, especially when you're doing GCSE. So they need to know that you can use different types of punctuation marks as you use different types of sentences. Similar is for functional skills and other writing projects. Okay, so that's and I hope you understand this and enjoy that. If you have any questions, you can ask me. If you want to share some of your sentences using brackets or dashes or commas to add extra information, or any other use of a punctuation mark, I would definitely like that. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.